Hi, welcome to Excellent Minds channel, where we share you tips and guide on Excel essentials. One of the questions we will be answering today is how to use advanced filter in Excel. Now before we begin, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our new and excellent tutorials on Excel essentials. First, let's talk about the difference between filter and advanced filter. Filter is your regular filter option in the data menu that adds filter controls to the table headers. It is used to temporarily hide some of the data in a table so you can focus on the data that you want to see. You can filter with built-in comparison operators like greater than and top 10, for instance. Advanced filter, on the other hand, is an advanced option for filtering data that requires complex criteria, such as in our example, product type, item name, or who the salesperson associated with a sales record is. You type the advanced criteria range on the worksheet. Microsoft Office Excel uses the separate criteria range in the advanced filter dialog box as the source for the advanced criteria. In our example, we have a range of records of sales by product type, item name, salesperson, and sales amount. Let's say you wanted to filter this data set to only reveal electronics product type sales record and item name of Lenovo. To do this, you will have to create a criteria range, enter at least an empty column or row away from your list range above it, preceding it, or next to it. Click on Data, then in the Sort and Filter menu group, click on Advanced. Excel is smart enough to detect your range for filtering and pre-populates the list range for you in the advanced filter dialog box. Now all you have to do is enter the criteria range reference including its headers. In our example, that would be G1 to G3. By default, the list will be filtered in place, but you have the option to output the result into a specific location or range. You may also just filter out unique records only if you wish. Tip: if you want to filter out a text or value, let's say Lenovo, to match your criteria exactly or equally, you will have to enclose the criteria value Lenovo with the characters equal, open quotation mark, equal, and then close it with a closing quotation mark. If you don't, Excel will filter out similar values such as Lenovo's or Lenovo bag, just for example, in the filter result. You can extend your criteria range up to all the available fields. In our example, let's say in addition to a product type of electronics where item name is Lenovo, we add another criteria of salesperson to be a value Sheldon. Just enter the new criteria as a new column of your existing criteria range. Remember that adding columns to your criteria range tells Excel to evaluate all the rows of your list range to meet all the criteria row values indicated in your criteria range. Any value you add to a criteria vertically tells Excel to evaluate logically as OR. And any value you add to a criteria range horizontally tells Excel to evaluate logically as AND. In this example criteria range, we are telling Excel to filter out the list where product type is electronics and item name is Lenovo and salesperson is Sheldon, or product type of clothing and item name of Pull and Bear and salesperson is Leonard. When entering number value criteria, you can also use operators such as lesser than, greater than, lesser than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. You can also use wildcard criteria character asterisk to find text values that share some characters but not others. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated. That's it for now on today's Excellent Minds Excel Essentials. Until then, stay excellent.